learn how to make your Instagram account private. It's a very straightforward process, and let's go ahead and do that. So open your Instagram, and here at the bottom right corner where you have the profile icon, just right here, we need to click on that. And the moment you do that, at the top right corner, you will have three lines, and we will click on that. And here we need to go to settings and privacy, which is the first option. And then we need to scroll down, and once you will scroll down, you will find now once you scroll down, you will find who can see your content. Now here under account privacy, you can make your Instagram account from public to private. So I clicked on that. I'll just repeat. I'll click on this public, and I just need to click on this button, and this will ask you to switch to private account, and we have successfully done that. So from now onwards, whenever whoever will visit your Instagram account, he needs to send the request to see your profile. All right. So if you find this tutorial helpful and if it has given you a value, please hit the like and subscribe for more tutorials like that. Have a wonderful day.